Welcome to yet another one of our luxury lakefront listings. I'm Sierra Grind with the Grind team here in the beautiful Lake of the Ozarks. Today we are at Eagle's Rest, an 8-acre private estate off the 3-mile marker in Lake Ozark. As you tour the property, just imagine the possibilities. At the main home, which was recently remodeled in 2017. This private estate has relaxed restrictions as it has no HOA. So again, the possibilities are endless. Now let's go see the rest. The main home features 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths with an open floor plan, high soaring ceilings, and hardwood floors. The focal point on the main level is the beautiful stone floor-to-ceiling fireplace. The large kitchen island is great for cooking and entertaining with friends and family. The master suite features a stunning bathroom with a walk-in steam shower and a soaking tub. Lower level features a second living room, movie theater, 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and 1 non-conforming bedroom. There are 2 levels of covered deck space, offering huge views out onto the main channel. There is a 1-bedroom apartment above one of the 2-car garages. One half of the 4-car garage was converted into a workout facility with an indoor fitness pool. There are a total of 6 garage spaces and a storage shed. The property features a private hunting and shooting range and room for more future development on the 8 acres. You will love having the convenience of having an access road all the way down to the dock with a huge parking area. This would be a great future spot for a pool, or keep it as parking for the big parties and entertaining. This home sits on a perfect, deep, quiet water cove location, yet still offering a big view onto the main channel. Enjoy living the lake lifestyle on this huge 4-well concrete dock, featuring a tiki bar and a swim deck area. There is 456 feet of private lake frontage, so you could even put in your own private beach if you wanted to. Now call the Grind team today to schedule your private showing and talk about how this rare, one-of-a-kind property could be a huge investment opportunity.